The rugged terrain and breathtaking beauty of West Virginia makes it one of the most beautiful places in the United States. West Virginia is located entirely within the Appalachian region, and the state is almost entirely mountainous, giving it the nickname the Mountain State. The North Fork of the South Branch Potomac River is about 44 miles long and starts just north of the Virginia-West Virginia border. Flowing northeast, the North Fork joins the South Branch Potomac at the town of Cabins, West Virginia. Seneca Rocks is a prominent and visually striking formation, rising nearly 900 feet above the confluence of Seneca Creek with the North Fork. It is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Visitors flock to the area to experience the wonderful hiking trails, rock climbing opportunities, and picturesque views.